Hi guys, Kamala Muzintle, and then today ngizoyenza a-review Uzalo, episode number 85. So today sibonile ukuthi okay, last episode sibonile ukuthi khona umuntu ofele e-panel beat. And today uMaNgcobo found out ukuthi khona umuntu ofele e-panel beat. It's funny how she brushed it off or ngendlela ayizibe ngakhona le ndaba yokuthi kufele umuntu e-panel beat. It was as if kufe inja lapho, I understand. For someone osanda kushonelwa indoda, it's like, wow, your reaction is just not expected. I was expecting her to be worried ukuthi okay, someone ushonelwe some way. No, she's like abantu bayafa every day. If that's the case, then why can't you have the very same reaction over the fact that your husband was shot by someone else and he died? Abantu bayafa every day. Xhopashe was shot. People die every day, so why can't you have the same reaction? Or do such things only apply when it comes to people outside and not yourself? Do you get me? Okay, but then it's fine. It's Zulu City umenzi uyakhohlwa mara umenzi wakakhohlwa, so it's okay. And then Mxolisi today confessed kuNombuso ngezinto azenzayo esayitini, which may have been a good idea because now Nombuso will know the type of person she is dating. But then at the same time, it's a bad thing because it might be the end of their relationship. So angazi mara kuzobonakala cause anyway seka-break up virginity bakhe wabunikeza uMxolisi, so angazi. But then yeah, a-reaction kaMaNgcobo ingishokhile vele, angazi nami. And then uManzuza, yeah, she's determined ukufuna indawo yokuhlala aphume. I don't know why she is not fighting. Because honestly speaking, Ledenzo or Pastor Nkosi is just not Christianity like. It does not even have Ubuntu in it. And then, yeah. Sharp, guys.